Sorry, beloveds, got cut off there because of a call that came in. So, basically, bottom line is let's get into a space of knowing, have faith, have trust in yourselves. You know, look at what a beautiful thing we did yesterday. With this whole cyclone thing. I mean, I'm not coming from any space of ego, worked on it from the time I came to know that it was happening. And no matter what people were saying to me, oh, this has to be done to the windows and that has to be done. I said, I'm not doing a thing. I don't believe in this cyclone. It's not happening in my world. I sent a whole load of energies to it, got divine beings to come in and work on it, and I was 100% sure that nothing was going to happen. Nothing. Like I posted yesterday on Facebook that God is riding the crest of this cyclone. I mean, I have asked God to do it. Period. Nothing is going to happen. Mumbai, Maharashtra, nothing compared to, like we were saying, what happened last time. It happened 100 years ago and 1 lakh people died. Imagine then 1 lakh people died. What is going to happen? I said nothing is going to happen. Nobody is going to die. Nobody is going to die. And nobody did. But I can sit here and I can say this to you because I have 100 and not even 50%. No, I won't even say 100. I'll say 99.999999 into godzillion times faith. I have the faith that it's a beautiful world out there, and I posted these pictures on Facebook of the sunset yesterday, which was the most amazing sunset ever here, at least. And I live right on the beach. It was, the sun was like, it was sunrise, so bright, so beautiful. It was like literally the divine, you shining through that light and saying, look, I'm here, I'm here, and this is the world that I am giving to you, a world of miracles, a world of magic, a world of love. Please, please, please enjoy it. Please have faith, build your trust, build your faith ever stronger, ever stronger. I am standing by you. I am standing within you and without you in every moment, So please, guys, please, please, I implore you, work with the divine. Work with the divine in every moment. Let's really, really change this world around, because we have the power. We can be the change makers. We are the change makers. Let's make a beautiful world for our youth, for our children,